Welcome to Pramit's Toy World.
Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to make my first video in my brand new bedroom because last video I told you guys that from now on I will not do it in my parents' bedroom, but now I am going to do it from my bedroom from now onwards. So let's go and see what toys we have today. Let's take a seat, guys. So today we have 3 Pokemon packets and 1 moon ball. We'll show you the moon ball later. And also as well I have shifted Octavius and Octopussy as well. I gave them very nice names. Thank you guys. Subscribe if they are good names. So let's start with the Pokemon packs. First, Crown Jewel packet. So in the first Crown Jewel packet we have got let's start. We have got Slandered, Energy, Luxray, Energy, Usen Zarok, Hooper, Snowrunt, Raikou, Blossom, Mewtwo. Okay, that was pretty good cards. I have a lot of them, but it's all fine. Let's start with the next pack. This is the pack so far. It's all real for your packs because I am at India, so I get a lot of fake Pokemon packets. But for my luckness, I got real ones as well. So I bought how many real ones I could find. So let's start. We have got Latias, Volcarona, Energy, Pangoro, Giraping, Zeorabi Max, Semiseal, Pisa, Galarian Mr. Mime, another Pangoro, and Sia. I got so far. Okay guys, the last Crown Jewel packet for today. So this is the last one. Hope we get a nice one. So we get Energy, Pochea, Solrock, and Solocrotus like that, and electric, like what name have they given? Krokorok, okay. Drapion, Zamazanata, Executor. I don't understand how to say this word. Sorry guys. Energy, Ducks. That one I don't know, understand. Ooh, and the I one which is holographic. I've never got a holographic energy, so I'm very happy with this. So now we will have completed our 30 cards. Okay, so we will keep them aside. And this is a moon ball. I bought it today as also like the Pokemon cards. And let's check it out today. Whoa! That is very fun. Very nice bouncing. Whoa! 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 These are nice bouncing. One. Whoa! It literally came over here. Whoa! You scary balls, man. Whoa! And this is the end of the video. Please subscribe